Good morning students. Today our topic is exercise 1D. In this exercise 1D, I will give you some formula. What is that formula? Between any two rational numbers, there is lies another rational number. So such type of questions have in exercise 1D. So in this 1D, I will explain. Suppose 0 and 1 is a rational number. 0 and 1 is a rational number. In these two rational number we can directly understand 0.5. 0.5 means 1 by 2 is a rational number. Okay, this is very easy, very small. And here, suppose here 1 and 2, we know 1 by 2 is a rational number. 1 is possible to find out without calculating. Suppose in between 1 by 2 and 1, what is the rational number? Find outing is very difficult. So we use some formula. So if you think we can get, but without thinking we apply one formula. What is that formula? Now I will explain. So suppose these are the two rational numbers. A by B is a rational number and C by D is a rational number. To find out the in between two rational number, we apply 1 by 2 or A by B plus D by C by D is the formula. So what is the formula? To find out in between two rational number, half of A by B plus C by D. Okay. So this is the formula. Remember, 1 by 2 of A by B plus C by D. Suppose this is the rational number. Okay. Suppose it is integer also, we can find out the rational number A plus B. Okay. Suppose 1 by 2, 1. I already said 0 and 1 to find out. So A is equals to 0 and B is equals to 1. Substitute it. A is equals to 0 and B is equals to 1. So 1 by 2, 0 plus 1 is 1. So 1 by 2 is the answer. So very simple. So some examples I will explain. Here is given type 1 question. To find out one rational number between two given distinct rational number. To find out one rational number between two given distinct rational number. What is it? To find out one rational number between two given rational number. How? So suppose 0 and 1 is given. To find out the one rational number means we apply directly this formula. Okay. This is type 1 problem. So I am explaining. Exercise 1. First question. Find a rational number between A and B. Find a rational number between A and B. So what formula I am using? Here A and B is given. So I am using 1 by 2. 1 by 2 A plus B formula I am using to find out the one rational number only. So A is equals to how much? 1 by 6. B is equals to how much? 1 by 5. Substitute the values. 1 by 2. A is equals to how much? 1 by 6. B is equals to 1 by 5. It is looking like 1 by 2 A by B plus C by D formula only. Now take it the LCM. 1 by 6 plus 1 by 5. So 6 and 5 you take it LCM. So I am multiplying 5 plus 6. 5 6 30. Okay. 5 multiplying here, 6 multiplying here, 6 5 is 30. Then 1 by 2. 5 plus 6 is 11 by 30. Answer, multiply numerator, denominator. 11 by 230 is the 60 is the answer. Okay, one more question I am explaining. Next, A is equals to minus 4. Fourth question. A is equals to minus 4 by 9. B is equals to 11 by 6. Okay. So substitute the formula directly. It is A is equals to 1 by 2 A plus B or A by B plus C by D. So I am substituting 1 by 2 minus 4 by 9 plus 11 by 6. 1 by 2. So this is a 9 and 6 now. Take it LCM. 9 and 6. 3 3 is a 3 2. So minus 4 into 3 3 is a 9, 9 2 is a 18. So to get an 18, what multiply 2 plus 11, 3 is a 6, 3 is a. Now do 1 by 2 into minus 8 by 18 plus 43 by 18 is equals to 1 by 2 minus 8 plus 33 by 18 is equals to 1 by 2, 25 by 18. So answer is how much? 25 by 36 is the answer. So in that way you do the remaining homework, remaining problems. Second and third questions are homework. Now coming to that, again coming to this page number 29. To find many rational numbers between two given distinct rational number. To find many rational number. Type 1 is what? Only one rational number. Type 2 is what? To find out the many rational numbers. So 0 and 1, we find out one rational number. What we applied? 1 by 2 a plus b formula. So to find out more than one means 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6, so on rational numbers. So what we are formula we applied? So formula is what? First one, we can find out rational numbers means q1, q2, q3. Suppose one rational number means that we apply directly this formula, that is q1 is equals to what? A1 by 2 a plus b. To find out one rational number, this formula. Suppose to find out the q2, second rational number, what we do? Qt is equals to 1 by 2. In a place we write q1. Already we find out the q1 plus b. Okay. To find out the q, third rational number. So what? Already q2 find out na, q2 here, right? Plus b. Okay. Suppose you find out the q4, 1 by 2. Already q3 find out na, q4 plus b. So this, in this way we can find out. Suppose 6 rational number means q5, q6. 7 rational number q7. Like this we can find out the values. These are the formulas. Okay. Now I am find out in the second bit. Second question. Find the two rational numbers between minus 2 and 2. So find out the two rational numbers asking us. So q1 find out and q2 find out. Two rational numbers. So q1 formula is equals to what? A 1 by 2 a plus b. A is equals to how much? Minus 2. B is equals to how much? Plus 2. So I am find out in q1 is equals to 1 by 2 minus 2 plus 2 is how much? Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. 1 by 2 into 0 is equals to 0 only. So q1 is how much? 0. One rational number is 0. And q2 find out. q2 is equals to 1 by 2 q1 plus b. So 1 by 2, q1 is how much? 0. B is how much? 2. So how much? 2 by 2, 2 cancel 1. So 0 and 1 is rational numbers between minus 2 and 2. Look at here, minus 2 you take it one rational. So in between what we have? 0 and 1 rational numbers only. No? So in that way we are. Next one, which question? Next third question is the homework for you. Three rational numbers we find out. Means q1 find out, q2 find out and q3 find out. Next fourth question I will explain, because one is a integer and another one is a rational number. This is also rational number. So in the different way this I will explain minus minus. Now look at find the four rational numbers. So means what we are find out? q1, q2, q3, q4. So a value is equals to how much? A value is equals to minus 1, b value is equals to minus 1 by 2. Now q1 is equals to what? 1 by 2 a plus b. So 1 by 2 a plus b means 1 by 2. A means how much? A means minus 1, b means plus of minus 1 by 2. So what is that? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Okay, here 1 by 2 minus I'm multiplying here minus 2 minus 1 by 2, that is equals to 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2, that is equals to minus 3 by 4. One rational number is what? Minus 3 by 4. So q1 is equals to how much? Minus 3 by 4. Next q2 find out. q2 is equals to what? 1 by 2 q1 plus b. So 1 by 2 q1 is how much? Minus 3 by 4 plus of minus 1 by 2, that is equals to 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. So LCM you take it and do it. Minus 3 by 4 minus 2. So this is so minus 5 by 8 is the answer. Okay, minus 5 by 8 is the answer. Calculate it, you will get LCM. You take it and do it. Next, Q3 is equals to 1 by 2 Q2 plus B. So 1 by 2 minus 5 by 8, 5 by 8 plus B is how much? Plus B means plus of minus 1 by 2, that is equals to 1 by 2 minus 5 by 8 minus 1 by 2. LCM you take it, 1 by 2 minus 5 minus 4 by 8, that is equals to 1 by 2 minus 9 by 16, that is equals to minus sorry, this is 8 minus 16, minus 9 by 16, minus 9 by 16. So Q3 is equals to how much? Minus 9 by 16. Now find out the Q4. 1 by 2 of Q3 plus B is equals to 1 by 2 minus 9 by 16 plus of minus 1 by 2, that is equals to 1 by 2 minus 9 by 16 minus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2 minus 9 by 16 minus 8. So LCM is must 2 8s are 8s. So by 16, that is equals to 1 by 2, 9 minus 8 minus 17 minus 17 by 16, that is equals to minus 17 by 32 is the answer. So you can, once you do it in the decimal number, once you find out that these values are in between minus and minus 1 by 2 or not, you check if these all values are in between the minus 1 to minus 1 by 2. This should be, once you do the calculator and find out that these all values are in between. So what are the minus 1 and minus 1 by 2? Between minus 1 and minus 1 by 2 values are what? Minus 3 by 4 and minus 5 by 8, minus 9 by 16 and minus 17 by 32. These are all of the values. Okay, in this way we can find out. This is what formula of 2 or more rational numbers. Okay, in that way you do it. The fifth question, find the sixth rational number. So how much find out? Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6 find out. Next, the sixth, I will tell you another method. You can just follow. This is also very simple method, that is an alternative method of that. Okay, this is a more values to find out. So it is Q1, Q2, Q3 find out, and is it little bit difficult. So what we are doing, we can find out the equivalent rational numbers. According to that, we can find out the value. So insert 10 rational numbers between minus 1 by 2 to 7 by 8. So minus 1 by 2 to and 7 by 8. First time taking the denominators are equal. So minus 1 by 2, can I write it minus 4 by 8? Okay, and next 7 by 8. So and 7 by 8. So what in between 7 by, so minus 1 by 2 rational number equivalent fraction is minus 4 by 8. So minus 4 by 8 equivalent, so in the value is between what? 7 by 8. So in between what we have? Minus 3 by 8, minus 2 by 8, minus 1 by 8, 0 by 8 means 0 only, then 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8. So this will count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total how many values are there? 10 values are. So we can write it as minus 3 by 8, minus 2 by 8, minus 1 by 8, 0, 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8. These are all the rational numbers. Once again I will explain you. So first what we are doing to inserting the in between of minus 1 by 2. So first what we change? these denominators are first we equal it. So if the denominators are equal, so what we have, numerators are what, minus 4 by 8 and 7 by 8. So first only you can take it in the new these values, minus 4 and 7. In between values are what, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, minus, sorry, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are all, of how many values are take it, 10. Only they are asking 10 only. If you are getting more means you can only this. So now you can take it divided by 8, divided by 8, divided by 8, divided by 8, divided by 8. So these are all are the rational numbers in between of minus 4 by 8 to 7 by 8. Okay, these are it. Next, and next question, seventh question, insert 100 rational numbers between minus 3 and 13 to 9 by 13. Minus 3 by 13 and 9 by 13. 100 rational numbers, 100 rational numbers. So teacher, here 13 and 13 denominators are same. So suppose we are taking denominators are, first point into denominators are same, we are changing, but here denominators are changing. But minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are coming in between numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 only coming, but we need 100 rational numbers. So that's why I am taking minus 3 by 13 multiplying 10 into 10. We are getting what? Minus 30 by 130. And again 9 by 13 I am taking 9 into 10 and 13 into 10. So how much? 90 by 13. We are getting more rational numbers now. Minus 30 by 130 and 90 by 130. So we are getting more rational numbers. So but we want how much? 100 only. So to get 100 means minus 30 and plus 100 is how much? Plus 70. So how much we can find out? Minus 30 to 70 only to find in between values. So you can take it minus 30 by 130, minus 29 by 130, minus 28 by 130, and so on. 0, sorry, minus 1 by 130, and next 0, then 1 by 130, 2 by 130, and so on. 69 by 130, comma 70 by 130. You can calculate, you will get a 100 rational numbers. How I find out it? Actually 90, up to 90 means we are getting more than 100. So to get 100 means minus 30 plus 100 is how much? 70. So up to 70 only we can find out. Okay. So 90 plus 90 to 0 is how much? 90. 90 to 30 means 130 are 120 are we are getting. We need only 100 only. No? So minus 30 plus 100 is equals to 70. So total how much? This is 100 rational numbers between minus 30, 130 to this minus 29, 132 to this up to we have 100 rational numbers. From here to here, sorry, here to here we are getting how much? Total 100 rational numbers. Count it, you will get. Okay, in this way we are doing. Next, eighth question is homework for you to find out. Find the 6, find the 60, and find the 600 rational numbers. This is a homework for you. Here the denominators are same. So 600 means we can multiply. First for 6 means no problem. Minus 5 and 3. Minus 5 minus minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2. Enough this 6 only. Na? In this way I can find out our q1 q2 q3 also we can find out. And next 60 means multiply 80 only. And if for 600 means we can multiply with the 800, denominator 100 in numerator 100, when you are creating a value. Next, ninth question, answer true or false. Between any two distinct integers there is always an integer. Okay, question is what? Between any two distinct integers there is always integer, maybe or may not be. Suppose you are taking 0 and 1 is an integer. In between what we are getting? We are getting a fraction, that is a rational number we are getting. So this is the answer is false. Between any two distinct integers means 0 is an integer, 1 is an integer. In between what we are getting? Rational number we are getting. So answer is false. Between any two distinct rational numbers, there is always rational numbers. True, between any rational numbers, we are getting a rational number. Between any two distinct rational numbers, there is infinitely many rational numbers. Yes, in between we have infinite many rational numbers. These two are true, this is a false. Okay, whatever I left problems, that is the homework for you, complete it.